morning to all of you. My name is Manasvi. I'm from class 3rd B. I'm here to update you all with today's headlines. COVID-19 vaccine pricing to help government ensure minimal cost for people's safe. USA is keeping track of news surrounding as COVID-19 vaccine being rolled out nationwide. The state government of Tamil Nadu will provide training to students preparing for Z exams through a digital platform during the COVID-19 pandemic. VVS Lakshman said Virat Kohli leads by example as far as work ethic is concerned and is role model for any leader, but he also highlighted two areas that an Indian skipper needs to work on. Kejriwal tears copies of farm laws farmers to consult senior SC lawyer. Thank you and have a nice day.